Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Total Visa credit card. Now, I see a lot of people get approved for the Total Visa credit card, $1,000, $2,000, but I don't suggest everybody get it. But let's go into the details for it so that you guys can see, the application, how it works, and where to find it. And I want to kind of go over this comment also. So I started building my credit with 4 credit issuers. So they have First Premier, they have Credit One, they had Total Visa, and First Progress. Now, the first year they had $1,200 basically, and then after 4.5 years, they got a 720 credit score, and now they got $38,000 in total available credit. Now, I told you all how I went through the process of building my credit, and I got like $70,000 in 6 months. And you don't necessarily have to start with certain companies to be able to get the $70,000. But they were saying that these credit cards help them build their credit. Now, the Total Visa, and let's look at that one. You can get that with a very bad credit score, but let's go into those fees. That's the biggest thing I want you guys to look at. So I want you guys to go to my website, allthingsrickita.com. Then I want you guys to look under credit cards and loan links. So go ahead and click there. And I actually added the Total Visa under the bad credit okay. So you want to actually scroll down. And you'll see the Total Card Visa. So you can go ahead and click there. Now I put warning, high fees, because warning, they have high fees. Now, with them, you guys, all you have to do is put your first and last name in, your email address, your street address, with your city, state, and zip code, your home phone, your mobile phone. They ask you, do you have an active checking account? Yes or no. And then they let you pick the design that you want to get. So you can go ahead and pick the design that you want. And then you can also get premium designs. This reminds me of Credit One, where you would be able to pick like a premium design, but you have to pay for it, a certain card, and then you have to click apply. Now, when you all apply for this card, if you guys have poor credit, that's fine with them, but let me show you why I don't suggest certain cards like this. So if you look at the top, it says see rates, fees, costs, and limitations. So you want to click there. So I told you can possibly, start off with $1,000 limit or something like that, right? And results may vary for everybody, but these fees is the fees, right? So for one thing, the APR is 34.99%, 35%. That's really high. That's more than normal. And also, you will see they have a program fee. It's a one-time fee of $89 just to get it, right? The first year annual fee is going to be $75. After that, they're going to charge you $48. You guys can see that they're going to charge you $48. And then after that, they have a monthly servicing fee. So for the first year, they're not going to charge you anything. But then after that, they're going to charge you $75 every year. So these fees are very, very high. Very, very high. And I understand that you can get this credit card. It's going to report to the credit bureaus. If you keep the balance low, it's going to help boost your credit score. But there's other ways to boost your credit score, you all. Like, these fees are ridiculous. Like, I have the credit card on here because some people still like, I'm going to apply. Y'all do what y'all want to do. But let me show you other credit cards you can possibly get if you're trying to build your credit, because it's more that you can think about getting. So one of the credit cards you can think about getting is the Capital One. So try to get a credit card with Capital One. Now, these next credit cards I'm going to tell you, I want you to try to get these credit cards because they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So you can click right here where it says, see if I'm pre-approved. They'll let you know if they can pre-approve you for any of their credit cards. If they cannot pre-approve you, then you do not get it and you're not going to get a hard inquiry. That's fine. You have no loss. So I want you to try to see if you can pre-qualify for their credit cards. Now, if you got very bad credit, you even thinking about getting this credit card because your credit score is just so low, then they may offer you their secure credit card, right? Now, these are their 2 secure credit cards. I want you to read right here. So, be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. So what that means is, if you all are keeping a balance, you're keeping a balance on your credit cards, you're paying your bill on time, you're not having new charge off, new late payments on your credit reports, then most likely they're going to send you whatever you put down as your deposit. They're going to send you that money back, and they're going to increase your limit, and that's going to be after 6 months. So one as little as 6 months. It could be 7 months, it could be 8 months, but it's usually after those 6 billing cycles. Now, I like this option because this is going to be a $200 secure credit card. So you got to put $200 down. But if your credit's not so bad, they may tell you to put $49 down, or even possibly $99 down. So I really like that. But guess what? The money that you put down, you're getting back. You're getting that money back, and they don't have an annual fee on this credit card. There is no fees to this credit card. So that means that you can start building your credit, start building with a company that's going to eventually give you a regular credit card and give you your money back. When you get that total Visa, you can't get that. That's not going to happen. So that's just one of the credit cards you all can apply for. Let's go and look at other credit cards. You guys also have Navy Federal. Navy Federal can also pre-approve you. So you can see right here, pre-qualify me. So they can pre-qualify you for one of their credit cards. Navy Federal is known for giving out $10,000, $20,000 credit cards. But if your credit score is really bad, you want to go all the way down to the bottom and you want to apply for their secure credit card. But let them pre-qualify you for it. They said they could pre-qualify you, good. Go ahead and get it. Let them pre-qualify you for it first. But go ahead and click apply now for it. This one, if you put $200 deposit down, usually in about 6 to 7 months, they're going to turn that $200 into a $2,000 credit card. So just make sure you don't have new negative accounts, you're keeping the balance low, you're paying on time, you don't have any late payments, and you'll be good. So that's another credit card you all can apply for. Now, they don't have annual fees either. So that money that you basically put into Total Rewards, the total, not the Total Rewards, but you put into the Total Visa, that money is going in their pockets. It's not going to come back to you. That money you're putting down to Capital One, Navy Federal, and also check out Discover, that money that you're giving to them is going to come back to you all as long as you're doing what you need to do with your account. And then hopefully they'll upgrade it to an unsecured credit card. And now you have just a regular credit card with them. So again, you can see if you're pre-approved. You can click check now to see if you're pre-approved for their credit card. Their credit cards, a lot of them don't have annual fees, especially like their secure credit card, which is, I think, if you're watching this video, this is probably where you want to be. Put a $200 deposit down on this minimum. You can put whatever you want to put down, but you have the $200 minimum deposit on this. In about 7 to 8 months, paying on time, keeping the balance low, you're going to see that your limit is going to get increased. And then also you're going to see that they're going to send your deposit back. And that's what you're aiming for, you all. So that's another option for you all. Now, those are the ones where you put a deposit down, they'll give you money back, right? There's other ones you can look into. So if you really need to build your credit, I suggest you guys check out the Credit Builder card. Now, this is going to act just like the other one's going to act. You're going to have a $200 limit with this one. You're going to put your deposit down. They're not even going to check your credit at all. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is really good. And as you build your credit, and you get regular credit cards, maybe after a year, you go ahead and close this account. And as soon as you close this account, then they're going to give you your money back. But guess what? You actually getting something back compared to that Total Visa. Those fees that you're paying, then you got to pay every year on it. You're not getting that back. So I really like this one as an option. And you guys can get 2 of these. So try to see if you can pre-qualify for Capital One, Navy, and Discover. If not, go get that Credit Builder card and then check out Open Sky. They have another secure credit card without a credit check. Try Credit One Bank, the Mission Lane. These Credit One Bank, Mission Lane, the Tumo, the Prosper, the Milestone, Indigo, Destiny. Those all can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So check those too before you go and pay all those high fees. If I put warning high fees, like this one right here, it has a very high fee. If I put that on there, believe me, there's very high fees and you really want to stay away from those cards. But check and see what the fees are going to be. If they tell you only got a $35 annual fee and that's it, okay, go ahead and get that if that's what you want to do, because that's what you guys are going to pay if you're getting like that Open Sky secure credit card. But anything more than that, I'm telling you, you'll be better off putting a deposit down on a credit card or getting some other account like that credit builder card. But let me know if this video was helpful to you all. I just wanted to make this video because I seen a comment, and it's not that I don't totally recommend these cards. I just want you all to look at the fees on them. I just know that there's better options out there, and when there's better options, you should probably try to go with those better options. And if your credit score is really low, look into my digital products, my digital downloads. I have dispute letters on here to help you all start removing negative accounts from your credit reports. So the dispute letter packet, you can check that out. And I also have my credit membership. So my credit membership, I can help you send out letters. You guys can get all dispute letters to remove them negative accounts so that your credit score can go up and you can start getting approved for more accounts. But I have so many different things here for inquiries, bankruptcies, duplicate accounts, reinserted accounts. It's just so many things that I have available here for you all. So maybe you want to look into start boosting your credit score. And when you boost your credit score, you should have a better chance of getting approved for more credit cards. So let me know if this video was helpful to you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.